About 3 weeks ago, I told Goat to kiss my ass. First of all, I want to say, Goat, y'all can kiss my ass. I did a video on Cool Grade 11s. I ordered from Goat because I didn't hit on the raffle. I didn't get them. And I think they sent me some fakes. So I sent the shoe back. They gave me Goat credit. And I reordered them again. They're coming from Hong Kong. That's what it says. So I'm like, man, I'm about to go through the same shit again. So right here was a Chinese sticker. It's not on this box. So we good with that. You open the box. And right here, as you can see, it have a Nike tag in Chinese letters. See that? But it's a Nike tag, so we cool. So before I get to the shoe, let's look at the box. The box, you don't have the quality control sticker. Got the green sticker, but you don't have the quality control sticker, so we good. Box is good. Moving right along. All right. The shoe look dope. Shoe look nice. Look at that. Icy. I think it's the real deal. Look at that. Hold it up for y'all. All right. Let's take the insole out. First, shoe tree. Shoe tree look the same. Molded. Yep. Sock liner. Shoe tree good. But look at that. Insole don't got the box like the last shoe I had. And it don't have the blue stamp. So these legit to me, y'all. These legit. Only thing I see different than my partner shoes, the ones that, you know, my partners that hit on the raffle, it don't have the size sticker. But I'm gonna just say these the real deal, man. Compared to the shoes I got from Goat last time, you know, I don't have the red flags. I do not have those red flags. And the last shoe looked dope. I just couldn't rock with them. But I'm gonna say these legit, man. And then the Widow Peak is real small. It ain't thick like the other one. The other one was real thick. These are legit. They legit. Rocking with them. Thank you, Goat. Y'all got it right. Apologize for saying kiss my ass too. But these legit. All right.